Hello and welcome to VFD Vibes from Up to Speed with Yaskawa, your one-stop shop for all things variable frequency drives, or VFDs for short. I'm your host, Greg Weichman, and this episode is a short introduction of what you can expect from this podcast series. No matter your job responsibility or experience, if you're curious about how modern machinery runs, VFD Vibes has something for you. Each episode will deep dive into real-world applications of VFDs across various industries. We'll share best practices for installation, maintenance, and troubleshooting to ensure your equipment runs smoothly and avoids costly downtime. From pumping systems and conveyor belts to complex industrial control and factory automation, we'll talk about it all. We also want to help you stay current with industry trends. We'll explore how advancements in technology are shaping the future of VFDs, including topics like energy efficiency, smart device connectivity, and the rise of intelligent manufacturing. In each episode of VFD Vibes, we'll be joined by industry experts sharing their knowledge and insights to help you get the most out of these versatile devices. Whether you're looking to learn the basics of VFDs or want to stay up to speed with the latest advancements, VFD Vibes has you covered. You can find our episodes on Spotify, Apple, and YouTube. Follow our channel on your favorite platform to stay informed of new episode releases. Thank you for joining us, and we'll see you next time on VFD Vibes.